Welcome to Schneider's Gourmet World's Kitchen. I'm Rachel. This guy over here is Wes, and he is gonna help us make Kaktus Onion Rings, our newest Kaktus Chip. It is so good. So good. So there they are, the Kaktus Onion Rings. All right, so we're gonna measure out half a cup. Half a cup. These guys are easy to work with. We just love them. All right, you're gonna grab your coconut oil, and you're gonna use 4 tablespoons. Just like so. And we're going to turn on our burner. Where do you like it? Purple, red, green? Right there is good. All right, so we're using a portable stove here. It's great to use if those of you who need something for your induction stove, so it is a great solution for that. They're pretty inexpensive, and you can use them anywhere you want to make snacks. And so your stove setting will be anywhere between an 8 and 9. And here is your key. So once you've got the oil in, turn your burner on and start heating up the oil, because the oil needs to be hot before you add the chips. And you want the oil to be completely melted, and you want it to be hot enough so that you start to see a bit of a smoke point. Just a little bit. Okay, and now we see the smoke, and in she goes. Now you're going to use the turning mechanism forward and back, just so that each of the chips gets oil on them, evenly coated. And that also will help if they get stuck underneath the arms. They should get out. Oh, there they go. Oh yeah. All right, while that's finishing up, you're gonna wanna have your bowls ready on the side, a glass bowl. Hold the lid in place and let the oil drain out. Let that drip off. And then transfer them into a bowl that's got some paper towel lined with it so we can catch the extra oil off of the chips. And so today we're going to use All Dressed. It's one of my favorites. So grab a plastic bag and lay a teaspoon, and we're going to put in All Dressed. Is a little bit stronger of a seasoning. Depends on how you like it. A teaspoon in the bag. And put the chips in the bag. And secure your bag and toss. And make sure you get the seasoning around all of them. There we go. Remove the paper towel from your bowl. And there we have it. These are some of my favorites. You want one?
Definitely.
Kaktus Chip Onion Rings. You gotta try them. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.